You're coming to Milan? Welcome! You only have time for a quick one stop to find vintage goodies for home decor. I got just the place. It's one of my favorites and it's really close by here. Now, you're probably coming to Milano Centrale, where most people arrive. That's the big train station. Look how giant it is. Now, the fastest way to get there, not the cheapest, but the fastest, is by taxi. Go out the side door on that side because those taxis are headed in this direction, away from Centrale. And if you get the ones on the other side, you'll be going the wrong way and you have to go around. Not as quick. If you want to take the subway, you can, but it's only one stop. You take the M3 to Repubblica station. We're gonna walk right past it, so I'll show you the exits when we get there. Walking to the shop is very easy. 15-minute walk, 1.2 kilometers or 3/4 of a mile straight. Come out the front door where the big V is, straight out the front door to where I am. This is Via Vittor Pisani, and we're gonna walk straight to Piazza Repubblica. Then we're gonna take a right and then a quick left. That's it. It's very easy and it's flat. Let's go. Today we'll be taking a nice little walk on this beautiful day to this vintage shop. We'll take a nice stroll around, see what goodies we could find inside the shop, and at the end there is a surprise. There is the metro station, the Repubblica line on the M3. When you come up out of the metro station, look around to get your bearings. Look for the big Centrale building. Look for the big Centrale building and make sure you're walking away from it, directly away from it, across the piazza. This is a busy piazza. It's not a typical park-like piazza. It's busy. Just keep walking away from it. Once you get across the piazza, very carefully, you're going to take a right. You'll be on Via Monte Santo. You'll walk just a few meters and take your first left onto Via Marcora. We're going to take a right and go down Via Monte Santo. Let's go. Annoyingly, the street sign still says Piazza della Repubblica. It doesn't say Via Monte Santo. However, this is the street we want, Via Giuseppe Marcora. And where we're going, it's just here. And if you're taking a taxi, it'll leave you right there in front. This is where we're going, right here, number 8. See the sign says Mercatino dell'usato. Buzz where it says Mercatino or Mercato, whatever it says, and they'll let you in. Go take the stairs down. Do not take the stairs up. We're going downstairs. Hi everyone. Welcome to one of my favorite vintage shops, Mercatino Tranoia Voi. We are here with Maria Francesca.
Hi.
Maria Francesca, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
And Maria Francesca's family has owned this shop for how long?
It was found in 1997.
Wow, that is a very long time. And what are the best days for people to visit the shop? They want to know.
I suggest during the week,
During the
because
week.
in the weekend is most crowded.
Okay, okay. And I know you're closed on Tuesdays. So
yes, exactly. We are closed on Tuesday.
do you get lots of new things on Tuesdays? Or when do you get the most new items?
We receive new things every day.
Every
So
day? Oh, I
You
need to
can
come
find every day
more.
something new.
I need to come more times. Maria Francesca, do you have any favorites of items or brands in the shop?
Yep. Well, it's really difficult to pick just one thing because we got so many stuff.
For sure.
But I really love art paintings, and also Laveno ceramics,
Wonderful.
English pottery, steel Novo lamps, chandelier, Murano chandelier,
Wonderful.
Murano glasses. And,
You have so many things.
yes, you can find a lot of historical treasures.
And I know that this shop has a wonderful Instagram account, so everyone should go and check that out. They're always posting wonderful things. I follow you.
Okay, thank you.
So I always want to know what's new. So thank you so much again, Maria
Thank you very
Francesca. Let's take a look around and see what goodies we can find. That was so fun. Now you know the one place you need to go to for vintage home decor when you're in Milan. And all of their information is linked in the description box below. Time now for a haul. I bought 2 things, and one small and one really big. The small one is the glass frog. Yep, I paid 20 euros for it. Much more than I normally would, but it's big and it's a replacement for this crazy one that broke itself 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, I don't know, whenever. But when I say it broke itself, I was standing across the room editing and I heard crash for absolutely no reason. Nothing was around it, no temperature changes. Something must be haunted, I don't know. But it broke itself and I really like it for pens. So this one is even bigger. Yay. So finally now I can throw this one away. And the second thing that's very exciting that we bought was the table that you saw in the last shot. I'll put it right here again. That table has a really specific purpose. It's going to be the vanity in our brand new bathroom renovation in our really old apartment. And you see how these walls are all empty? This is the wall to our bathroom. We have to move everything. It's going to be crazy. Watch for the next videos. They're going to be all about the bathroom renovation. Turn on your bell notifications so you'll know when they're live. And thank you so much for shopping with me today.